don't you?
I don't care.
She has dark hair.
Oh,
Dark hair.
how about that?
I told you.
And she
And
got
toes.
What else she have, Gracie? Does she have hair?
I don't care.
Dark
We
hair?
already did the dark hair thing.
Yeah. Does she have hair?
oh, she's so pretty.
You gonna comb your hair? No, not now.
Keep that head in there. Yes.
So I'm looking around.
Yeah, we got an eye open, doesn't he? Well, what number is this?
24? 20. Gracie's 20. So we've had two more. 23rd.
And, this is your 23rd great-grandchild.
Uh-huh.
Number 23.
Can I throw her up in the air?
No, we'll save that for Tommy.
Oh, you look so good. Oh, gonna get a little active, aren't you?
She was just born
Friday.
Friday.
So it's not even a week
Still
old.
young.
Yes, it's not even a week old, Mom.
No. Look at that.